diversity of this remarkable country. Dominating the skyline, its peak pierces the heavens. The Matterhorn, a pyramid-shaped giant, is more than just a mountain. It's an icon of Switzerland. For centuries, this monolith has challenged climbers worldwide, its sheer rock face a test of endurance and spirit. Embraced by the Alps, Lake Geneva shimmers like a vast sapphire, reflecting the sky. One of the largest lakes in Western Europe, it is a haven for wildlife and those seeking respite. Along its shores, vibrant cities like Geneva and Lucerne thrive, their histories intertwined with the lake's ebb and flow. Peaks disappearing into the distance. Chapter 4. Interlaken, adventure awaits. Nestled between the turquoise waters of Lake Thun and Lake Brienz lies Interlaken, a town embodying the spirit of adventure. Here, surrounded by towering peaks and verdant valleys, thrill seekers can indulge in myriad activities. Paragliding, skydiving, and whitewater rafting are just a taste of the adrenaline-pumping experiences that await. Chapter 5. Lucerne, a medieval masterpiece. Time stands still in Lucerne, where medieval architecture meets the shimmering waters of Lake Lucerne. The iconic chapel bridge, with its historic paintings adorning its rafters, is a testament to the city's rich past. Wander through the cobbled streets and you'll discover charming squares and hidden courtyards, each whispering tales of a bygone era. Chapter 6. Zermatt, a car-free paradise. In the shadow of the mighty Matterhorn lies Zermatt, a haven of peace and tranquility. Here, the air is clear, life is relaxed, and the only traffic is the gentle hum of electric vehicles. Zermatt is a paradise for skiers and snowboarders in the winter, its slopes offering challenges for all levels. Chapter 7. Bern, where history comes alive. Step back in time as we explore Bern, the capital of Switzerland. Its UNESCO World Heritage-listed old town is a labyrinth of cobblestone streets, sandstone buildings, and medieval fountains. The Zeitglocke, a 16th century astronomical clock, is a masterpiece of engineering and a symbol of Bern's legacy. Chapter 8. Lake Lucerne, a symphony of nature. Prepare to be captivated by the beauty of Lake Lucerne, where emerald waters reflect towering mountains and charming villages dot the shoreline. Embark on a scenic boat ride and let the gentle rocking of the waves lull you into tranquility. As you glide across the lake, be sure to keep an eye out for the majestic swans that call this place home. Chapter 9. Lauterbrunnen Valley, a waterfall wonderland. Enter a realm of cascading waterfalls and verdant alpine meadows as we venture into Lauterbrunnen Valley. Here, 72 waterfalls plunge from towering cliffs, creating a symphony of sound and a spectacle of nature's raw power. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the numerous trails that wind through this breathtaking landscape. Chapter 10. Montreux, where music meets the lake. Nestled on the shores of Lake Geneva, Montreux exudes elegance and sophistication. This charming town is renowned for its annual jazz festival, attracting world-class musicians and music lovers from far and wide. Stroll along the picturesque lakeside promenade adorned with flowers and sculptures and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Chapter 11. Grindelwald, a fairytale village. Step into a picture postcard setting as we arrive in Grindelwald, a charming village in the heart of the Bernese Oberland. Surrounded by towering peaks and verdant meadows, Grindelwald is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. In winter, hit the slopes for skiing and snowboarding, while summer offers endless opportunities for hiking, biking, and exploring the mountains. Chapter 12. St. Moritz, a playground for the elite. Indulge in a world of luxury and glamour as we visit St. Moritz, a renowned mountain resort town. This exclusive destination has been a playground for the rich and famous for over a century, drawn by its stunning scenery, world-class skiing, and opulent hotels. Whether you're looking to hit the slopes or relax in a spa or simply soak up the sophisticated atmosphere, St. Moritz is sure to impress. Chapter 13. Aletsch Glacier, a river of ice. Prepare to be humbled by the scale and power of the Aletsch Glacier, the largest glacier in the Alps. Stretching over 23 kilometers, this massive river of ice is a testament to nature's forces. Take a guided tour and witness the beauty and fragility of this wonder, a stark reminder of climate change's impact. Chapter 14, Zurich, a city of culture and commerce. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Zurich, Switzerland's largest city and financial hub. Beyond its sleek skyscrapers and bustling streets lies a city rich in history and culture. Explore the charming old town with its cobblestone streets and historic buildings, or delve into the city's thriving art scene at its many museums and galleries. Chapter 15. Lugano, the Swiss Mediterranean. Experience a touch of Italy in the heart of Switzerland as we visit Lugano, a charming city on Lake Lugano. With its palm trees, sunny climate and laid-back atmosphere, Lugano exudes a Mediterranean vibe. Explore the historic centre, relax by the lake, or take a boat trip to nearby villages. Prepare to be awestruck by the raw power of the Rhine Falls, the largest waterfall in Europe. Located near Schaffhausen, this natural wonder is a sight to behold. Stand on the platform and feel the spray on your face as you witness the sheer volume of water cascading over the rocks. Step back in time as we journey to Appenzell, a region where traditional Swiss culture thrives. Nestled amidst rolling hills and verdant meadows, Appenzell is known for its customs, colourful festivals, and delicious cheese. Visit a local farm, sample the delicacies, and experience the warmth and hospitality of the Appenzell. The ultimate destination for a luxurious getaway. Discover the charm of Thun, a historic town nestled on the shores of Lake Thun, overlooked by a majestic medieval castle. Explore the well-preserved old town with its cobblestone streets and colourful houses and charming cafes. Take a boat trip on the lake, surrounded by stunning mountain scenery, or visit the impressive Thun Castle, which offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. Experience a unique blend of spirituality and adventure in Engelberg, a picturesque village at the foot of Mount Titlis. Visit the Benedictine monastery, founded in the 12th century, and marvel at its architecture and peaceful atmosphere. For thrill seekers, Mount Titlis offers skiing, snowboarding, and the world's first revolving cable car, the Titlis Rotair. Immerse yourself in the world of sports and culture in Lausanne, the picturesque city on Lake Geneva, home to the International Olympic Committee. Visit the Olympic Museum, chronicling the history of the Olympic Games, or explore the charming old town with its cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and stunning lake views. Experience the unique blend of politics and winter sports in Davos, a renowned mountain resort town that hosts the annual World Economic Forum. When not hosting global leaders, Davos transforms into a paradise for skiers and snowboarders, with its extensive network of slopes and trails. Explore the charming town centre, relax in a cozy cafe, or hit the slopes for an unforgettable adventure. Step back in time as we visit Sion, a historic city in the heart of the Rhone Valley, surrounded by vineyards and towering mountains. Explore the city's impressive castles, Valera Basilica and Tourbillon Castle, which offer panoramic views of the area. Indulge in the region's renowned wines, sample local delicacies, and experience the warmth and hospitality of the Valais region. Discover the strategic importance of Bellinzone, a historic city guarding the entrance to the Alps, home to three impressive castles: Castelgrande Montebello and Sasso Corbaro, all UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Explore the castle's ramparts, towers and courtyards, and imagine the battles and sieges that unfolded within their walls. Wander through the city's charming old town with its cobblestone streets, colourful houses and lively piazzas. escape to the sunny shores of Lake Maggiore, and discover Ascona, a charming town with a Mediterranean vibe. Stroll along the picturesque promenade lined with palm trees, cafes and boutiques. Explore the narrow streets of the old town with its colorful houses, galleries and piazzas. Relax on the beach, swim in the lake, or enjoy al fresco dining, savoring Ticino flavors. Most. Let us know in the comments below.